What's wrong?
You can't just ignore me, Leon! I will have my fight with you! I'm happy to oblige!
Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming.
That was quite impressive. Tell me, child, what's your name?
Shizu. You want, okay?
I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them more my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote the little ones. I hope my children come.